Hi everybody, welcome back to another video training series on how to go about importing from China. My name is Alex Ryan. Thanks again for watching, and today's video is all about the lifestyle business of the import-export industry, because right here I'm in downtown Beijing. It's about 9 o'clock, 9:30 in the morning, and I've got a meeting at 10 o'clock today with a client of ours, and basically this is what the import-export industry allows you to do. It allows you to take time off. It's a time freedom business, and it allows you to see the sights, allows you to travel to exotic places for work, allows you to have more time off and do the things that you want to do. If you want to work from home, if you want to have more time with your family, spend more time with your kids, or even just travel around the world with a laptop and a mobile phone, you can do that with the import-export business. And this is something that I've been working with myself for the last 9 years, especially online businesses. And one thing I'm very happy about is being able to travel with a laptop and a mobile phone, because that's essentially what you need. You need a laptop, you need a mobile phone, you're constantly in contact with suppliers, you're constantly talking to factories, and it's an exciting business, and it's one where you can have a day off. If one day you decide not to work, you can have a day off. You can decide not to actually do work that day. So that's a great thing about the import-export business. So do definitely give us a try. If you are interested in training, if you are interested in learning more about the import-export business, do contact us. We have a range of different services available. If you want a sourcing agent, we've got sourcing agents like contacts. You need shipping agents, we've got that as well. If you need foreign exchange services, we've made heaps of contacts in those industries. And if you want to learn the exact step-by-step importing sequence to importing from China, then do contact us, and we can definitely help you out there as well. All right. My name is Alex. I'll talk to you soon.